Okay, it's the next day. Plan for today. Gonna finish field cultivating what I can over here on our last piece. It's the wet piece. I got about half of the stuff that I got disc done, so I only have probably another 30 acres or so to field cultivate, and then I want to get all that planted right after that. Then I have more 32 coming for the sprayer. I will start spraying once I get both of those things done. And then one of my best buddies proposed last night, so I might make an hour-and-a-half trip to Lincoln with Maddie, my girlfriend, and might go celebrate with them a little bit. So that's the plan anyways. Come along. I need to stop saying that. Get ready for the smoke show, baby. Oh, what? That was nothing. Definitely still real wet out here. Barely even in the ground. Spinning the shit out of the tires. Come on, old girl. This thing's making it through the really wet spot better than the four-wheel drive tractor. What a stallion, are you kidding me? Let's go, old girl. Let's go. Yeah. Well, that was somewhat short-lived. I mean, we got quite a bit done, actually, but I can't really even be mad, to be honest. I was kind of figuring at some point we were going to get stuck, but had to get as much done as I could. I mean, it sucks, but I'm probably just going to leave it here for now and go start planting. Dang it. It's never a good sign when the seed is riding inside your pickup. They changed the forecast on me again. Oh my goodness. They changed the forecast on me again, and now it's supposed to start raining in like 20 minutes instead of 3 hours. So that's lovely. I could be a weatherman at this point. It could rain, it might not. Could rain half an inch, could rain 7 feet. I don't know. If we have to plant in the rain, we have to plant in the rain. We're loaded up, well, pretty much loaded up. I didn't want to fold it up fully loaded on the wings and have one of those lids pop off, so I'm gonna put these 2 bags in when we get up here and hopefully at least get this planter full ran out. So looking good, looking real good. Back to planting. Going pretty smooth so far. I can't say that looks super promising. Hopefully it's just a sprinkle. Also, I know I mentioned this in the last video. That shit pisses me off. I don't have a power washer up here, so I just have to deal with it and look at bird shit my whole day, so that's lovely. Got stuck right over there. You can see the tractor still in the field. We got dust over here. Not for long, doesn't look like, because as you can see, that's rain. It's not good. It's not good at all. As long as the gauge wheels aren't plugging up though, I'm probably gonna keep rolling, honestly, so looks pretty decent so far. Well, it officially got too wet. All my row units were dropping population. I think the drive wheels were slipping, so I'm probably gonna call it quits because I still want to make it an hour and a half to the east to Lincoln to see my buddy who just proposed yesterday. So that's the plan for right now. We made it to Lincoln. Buddy is engaged. Oh no. Daddy's here. Duke's here. Chief's here. Let's go. Right here. Oh no, boys. He's gonna sink it.